This problem is for white to kill this black group on the corner. The first thing you should observe is that black's eye space is very big. If white tries conventional moves like this, then black will live very easily, like this, or it will be something like this. That means white must figure out the weakness in black's shape. And that weakness is not that obvious. But one thing for white to try is the 2-1 point. Now white is threatening to cut off this black stone. Right? If black responds at number 2, then white can succeed very easily. If black responds this way, then white can destroy this eye. Now this is a fake eye, and black will not have enough eye space here on the left. So black's strongest response is to connect here. And now what white does is to destroy this eye. And all of a sudden, even though black has a large eye space, the best it can do is a corner bent 4 shape, which is a dead shape for black. If you're not familiar with this pattern, please feel free to check out lesson 209 on my channel. In that lesson, I explain in detail why this pattern is dead for black. Here you have it. This is the correct move for white. When reducing eye space does not work, you have to think about the weaknesses in your opponent's shape. And in this case, the weakness is first this cutting point at number 2, and second, the possibility for white to make a corner bent 4 shape like this. Thank you for watching.